In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign copies of tasks in Asana. This is a handy feature for anyone looking to manage multiple tasks efficiently while ensuring team members are properly assigned and informed. Let's dive right into the process. First off, we start by opening the Asana task that you want to duplicate. This is the task you wish to copy, along with its details to save time from creating a similar task from scratch. Once you have that task open, look for the three dots icon found at the top right corner of your task pane. This is also known as the More Actions icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu containing various task actions. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Task. This action will open up a pop-up window where you can manage the elements of the task you intend to copy. Within this window, you can select specific elements of the task that you want to include in the duplicate. These elements can be subtasks, the existing assignee if you wish, due dates, tags, and attachments. Keep in mind that being selective about which elements to duplicate can streamline your task management process. Once you've ticked off the elements you want to copy, it's time to create the duplicated task. Go ahead and click Create New Task to finalize this step. Asana will automatically generate a new task for you with the elements you selected. Now, the duplicated task can be treated as a new individual assignment. It's important to note that while you can duplicate tasks and select the original assignee, often you'll want to assign the new task to a different team member. To do this, simply click on the assignee field of the newly created task and choose the team member from the list who should own this task. Assigning tasks directly ensures everyone on your team knows what they need to do and when. To wrap up, using the duplicate task feature in Asana is incredibly beneficial. It provides a streamlined method to create multiple task copies with full detail, allowing you to efficiently distribute tasks among team members. However, bear in mind that each duplicate task must be manually assigned if multiple people need the same task. This feature can save a lot of time and effort, particularly in project management scenarios where similar tasks recur often. That's it for how to assign copies of tasks in Asana. By following these simple steps, you can proficiently manage your team's workload and maintain a clear, organized task list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial brings a little extra efficiency to your workflow.